what is the difference between abstract class and interface? So to understand this, first of all, add one class and interface in this project. Add class. We'll give the name ABS class just for identification purpose. So this is the abstract class which I have added here, and add an interface as well. So here you can see this interface. Okay, now just remove this unnecessary namespace from here as well. Remove unnecessary namespace. So now we put this together. Looking at this code, what can you see? The first difference here, we need abstract keyword for abstract class, and for interface we need a interface as a keyword. Is the first difference. Second difference, we can have a constructor in. Second difference is we can have a constructor here in the abstract class, but we cannot have a constructor in interface. If you try to create it, it will not allow. I mean, it will not have any constructor. If you try to create, it will give error. Because interface cannot contain instance constructors. So this is the second difference. Not have a constructor in an interface. Third difference, here in abstract class, we have a method declaration and implementation as well. Public abstract void ABS method. So this is the ABS method, abstract method, which we declared here. In interface also we have just only declaration, no implementation. Void method A. In abstract class we can have a non-abstract method as well. Public void non-ABS method. Here we cannot have. In the C# 8 there is a declaration of a method, but we normally do not use a method implementation into the interface. And both will not be used as direct for object creation. Both will be acting as a base only. So abstract class is a partially implemented class. So definition we can see partially implemented class. Interface is create a strong contract. So whenever we inherit this interface into a class, we have to implement all the methods from this interface. For abstract class also, those methods are marked as abstract, that needs to be implemented into the derived class. And another most important difference is when we want to use a multiple inheritance, then it is not possible with the abstract class, but we can make it possible by using the interfaces. Let's say we have one more interface in the same namespace. So this is interface 2, and this is the interface, and this is the method B in this interface, and this ABS class is ABS class 1, and one more abstract class. If you try to add it here, abstract class 2. So we have two abstract classes and two interfaces. And now at the client code, I'll try to create one more class as a class consumer, and I'll try to consume these two abstract classes. And in another case, I'll try to implement two interfaces. So it will not allow for the classes, and it will allow for the interfaces. So this is a class consumer, and in this consumer class, I'll try to inherit this ABS class 1, ABS class 2. So first of all, it will give me error. Cannot have class consumer cannot have multiple base classes. Okay, but I can do this for interface 1 and interface 2. Interface 1, interface 2. Only thing is that I have to implement both the interfaces. So then it will go the error. Okay, so this is multiple inheritance is possible using interfaces, but not with the class. That is a fourth difference.